Assalamu alaikum student. Fourth class science worksheet 2. Define observation, classification and communication. Observation definition. Here what given observation definition? Observation. Use sense such as eye, ear, nose, touch to observe and note information about an object or event is called observation. Okay, observation means use sense such as eye, ear, nose, touch to observe and note information about an object or event. Okay, here fill the definition observation. Okay, next classification. Classification, grouping or ordering objects or events into categories based on properties or criteria. Classification means grouping or ordering objects or events into category based on properties or criteria. Complete the classification observation here. Next, communication. Communication using words or graphic symbols to describe an action, object or event is called communication. Communication using words or graphic symbols to describe an action, object or event is called communication. Complete the communication here. Complete the communication definition. Next bit, correct the jumble word. Correct the jumble word. Correct the jumble word here. What are they? Correct the jumble word. Classification. Here, prediction. Here, communication. Next here, observation. Next, measurement, inference. Correct spelling, fill here. Next bit, hard word. Next bit, hard word. Hard word. Produce. Second, respond. Next, maturity. Next, created. Next, object. Next, explore. Next, dimension. Next, criteria. Hard words. Produce. P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Produce. Next, respond. R-E-S-P-O-N-D. Respond. Next, maturity. M-A-T-U-R-I-C-Y. Maturity. Maturity means period of being mature. Maturity means period of being mature. Maturity means. Next, created. Created. C-R-E-A-T-E-D. Created. Next, object. object, object. Next, explore, explore, explore. Next, dimension, dimension, dimension. Criteria, criteria, criteria. Here, dimension means what? A measurable extent. Dimension means what? A measurable extent of a particular kind, such as a length, height, is dimension. Okay, next, criteria. Criteria means what? Criteria means something may be judged or decided. Criteria means what? Something may be judged or decided. Okay. Next, fill in the missing letter. Next bit, fill in the missing letter. Fill in the missing letter. Fill in the missing letters. Here, first word. Yes, dash. Yes, dash. I, dash, dash, yes. Here. Yes, K, I, L, L, S. Skills. Fill the missing letter. Okay. Next. O dash, J dash, dash, T. Object. O-B-J-E-C-T. Object. Fill the missing letter. Okay. Next word. C, R, dash, T, E, R, dash, A. Criteria. I, E, I, A. Criteria. Like this. Okay. Complete the fill in the missing letter. Whatever we given now, fill the missing letter. Now your worksheet 2 completed. Thank you.